Halo Ibu.
Namaste.
Namaste Ibu.
Pak Denny,
Yes.
apa kabar?
Baik.
So Pak Denny,
Yes.
you know our most hot selling minuman Indian beverage, what it is?
In Indian beverage we have mango lassi.
People really love to drink mango lassi.
Yes.
So in this episode, Cook with Ibu Shilpa. Please tell what are the ingredients you use,
First
Pa?
kita ada fresh yogurt, mango pulp, and then simple syrup. Simple syrup this is making from 2 kilo gula pasir ditambah sama hot water 750 ml.
So the gula should not become thick, but
Yes.
only thin, simple syrup. So how do you make the yogurt?
Yogurt we can boil tapi tidak terlalu panas, not too panas, and then
Okay.
hanya hangat sedikit hangat ya.
The susu, yeah.
Ya susu.
The susu.
Yeah, fresh
So you
milk.
can use any fresh milk,
Yeah.
just warm it so that when you touch with your finger, it is not very hot. Once you have keep it aside, tidak boleh shaking.
Goyang-goyang.
Yeah.
Boleh.
So what is this mango pulp?
Mango pulp ini kita langsung ambil dari India.
Use for making your mango lassi. Now he will tell us the how much quantity of each ingredients you should take.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
So here we are using a cup, so it is easy for you in the house to relate how you can make 1 glass of mango lassi.
Pertama kita tuang yogurt 1 cup.
So 1 cup of fresh yogurt, freshly made yogurt. The yogurt should not be asam, it should not be sour or kept for long in outside. This mango pulp, he will take almost more than half cup, little less than 3/4 cup.
Ya. 30 ml simple syrup.
You can also use sugar if you want, but then you have to blend it long in the blender so that the sugar gets dissolved in the yogurt. So this you can use about 2 full spoons in 1 glass of lassi.
2
Or if
sendok
you
makan.
want to reduce your sweetness, just take 1.
1 spoon.
So you can
makan, ya.
adjust, sugar is entirely up to your taste. After that also there is one more ingredient which we add is at least 2 cubes of ice. If you don't want it cold, you can put at least 4 teaspoons of water, because if it is only yogurt, it is very thick and very heavy to drink. So we will only add 4 or 2 cubes of ice, and then we will blender it.
Start.
So we are blending the mango pulp, the yogurt,
Simple syrup.
sugar, simple syrup,
Ya,
and ice. Just for 30 seconds. If you have a timer in your blender like we have, it's very easy. So you just put the timer 30 seconds and it goes and it's done.
Ibu, mango lassinya kita udah jadi. Mari kita tuang ke gelas.
Okay. It is nicer when you have it very cold and with little cubes of ice.
Ya, mango lassinya kita sudah jadi.
So Denny,
Yes.
delicious mango lassi is ready and your guests have ordered.
Yes.
So how will you call the waiters to take the mango lassi to the table?
Okay, just 1 second.